Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. So today we are here for grade 6 maths. The chapter today we discuss that is a multiple fraction, and the lesson which we discuss today that is multiple two mixed numbers, multiply three or more mixed numbers, fraction, add or whole numbers, multiplication with the mixed numbers, word problem, and multiply the fraction and mixed number in recipes. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using their email and password that is provided by the administrator. Let's go to the A Plus website, select math from the subject tab, and then just click to log in. And here the view all chapters. So here are the list of the chapters. So we are on the chapter that is multiply fractions. Continue with this. And then the lesson which we discussed today, that is it's here, multiply two mixed numbers. Okay, so let's get start. All right, so here is the question: multiply, simplify your answer and write it as a proper fraction or as a whole or mixed number. Let me just check my mic and everything. So here are the two mixed number, that is 5 into 1 by 2 and 2 into 3 by 4. First of all, we're going to convert, and then in the end we're just going to multiply. Okay, so here if I'm going to write it, 5 into 1 by 2 times, let's suppose 3 into, let's take question from there, 2 into 3 by 4. 2 into 3 by 4. All right. So the next is, so the question we are doing 5 into 1 by 2 and 2 into 3 by 4. That is 4. So let's solve first of all this one. How can we solve? We're going to multiply these two and add up with the top numbers. So 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11 over 2 times 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11 over 4. Okay. Yeah, it's a grade 5 maths. Okay. I'm just going to add it this. It's just by mistake and I am just putting it here grade 6. Yeah, this is a grade 5. So here 11 by 2 times 11 by 4. Multiply these two numbers with each other and multiply these two numbers with each other. Okay. So how can we multiply these two numbers? You are going to multiply the numbers with each other. So as we are going to multiply, so 11 times 11 is, what's the 11 times 11? You are going to when multiply. So when we are going to multiply this thing, we are just simply 11 times and 11. This is 121 and 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, this is the way that we are going to convert. These are the mixed fractions, and first of all we converting into the simple proper or improper fraction and then just going to multiply top numbers with each other and bottom numbers with each other. Okay, this is the one way to solve this question, but there is also some another way that we are going to solve it. How, what, this is 121 over 8. So they are saying that if you want to convert this again into the mixed one. Okay, so how we are going to convert? We are going to convert, so let's just divide 121 over 8. We are going to divide it 121 over 8. So 8 times 1 is 8. How much the left? This is 12 minus 8. That is 3 and this is 1. So in this way we are getting our answer. Okay. That is the answer, which is basically 121 over 8, which is 15 into 1 by 8, and this is the way that we get it. Okay, now look at here in the second question. They are saying that multiply, simplify your answer and write your numbers. So let's get solve. Firstly, 4 into, what is the way? This is the simple way. Like for example, here are a lot of questions. We are going to solve it like for example 2 into 3 by 6 and times 2 into 7 by 3. Okay, what is the first step that we will take? We are going to multiply these two numbers and add up with their top numbers, add up their numerators. So 6 times 2 is, that is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15 over 6. Okay, and then times. Now multiply these two numbers with each other and then add up with the top. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13 over 3. 6 plus 7 is 13, that is over 3. This 3 is the same. This denominator is, we are putting the same here. Now what is the next step that we will take? We are just going to multiply the numbers. So here that is a 15 and 13. So we are going to multiply 15 and 13 with each other, and in this way we get the answer 195, and 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, this is the way that we get it. So here is 195 over 18. So when we are going to check, like 18 is which time closer to that number, when you are going to divide it 195 over the 18. Like for example, if I'm going to multiply 18 times with 9, that is 162. Then 18 time it's 11, or it's something bigger number. Okay, so when you're going to check, this is a basically thing. They're saying that 19 into 8 over 25. Let's check, is that the answer? 18 times 9. Let's put 165 and then just putting here 0 and 3. This is a 30 now. But if you are going to put more bitter closer to that number, so you are going to put some 18 times 10 or 18 times something. Okay, this is the way that we get it. Like in all these questions, first of all we are going to solve these questions like simply multiplying these two numbers with each other and the bigger number with each other, these two numbers with each other, adding their top numbers and then multiply. Let's the next question. For example, here if I'm going to put it, for example, if we are going to put it here 3 into 5 by 6 times 2 into 7 by 9, let's suppose. So how can we solve? We're going to multiply these two numbers, add up with this. We're going to multiply these two numbers, add up with this. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 5 is, wait, screen is, oh, okay. 18 plus 5 is, that is 24 over 6, and times 9 times 2 is 18, and 18 plus 7 is 25 over 9. Just simply multiplying the top numbers with each other and the bottom numbers with each other. This is the lesson that we discussed in this one. These are the mixed fraction, just simply multiplying and adding the top numbers, and then just simply multiply the top numbers with each other and bottom numbers with each other. Okay, so let's discuss the next lesson. So here is the multiply the two mixed numbers. So now let's do multiply three or more mixed numbers, fraction, add or whole numbers. Is that the lesson? Yes, let's do it. So multiply three or more mixed number. Now here, look at here, there are three or more than three. Like in the previous one we are just having the two mixed numbers, but in third one sometime we are having a two mixed number with one, you can say that a whole number, or one is in the form of the fractions like proper or improper. Okay, so let's do it. For example, if I'm going to write the question here like this question, 2 into 1 by 4 times 5 times 3 into 2 by 3. So how can we solve it? Simply, first of all, we're going to solve the first one. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9 over 4. First one. Times 5 as it is. Times as it is. What is the answer of this one? Everyone tell me. Solve it. 3 into 2 by 3 and then tell me the answer in the chat. Do it fast, everyone. Everyone tell me how can we solve this one? 3 into 2 by 3. So how can we solve this one? 3 into 2 by 3. Just simply multiplying 3 with 3. Then add up their top numbers with each other. Okay, so 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is also adding the top numbers. It's not only answer 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 2, that is 11 over 3. This is the full answer. No, it's wrong. It's not 9 by 3. Also adding the top numbers. What I'm saying, multiply these two numbers, then add up their top numbers. Okay, now this is 9 by 4. Here it's 5, and the next one is 11 by 3. So how can we solve it? You are going to simply multiply the top numbers with each other. like 9 times 4 times 11, 9 times 5 times 11. Okay, multiply this one and this one with each other. So when we are going to multiply 9 times 5 times 11, so what's the answer? 9 times 5 times 11, the answer we get it, that is 495. Okay, here it's nothing, it means that it's 1. So 4 times 1 times 3, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12. This is the answer that we get it by using the 3 or more than, like here is the two mixed number with one with the fraction. It may be like the whole number or it may be in the form of fraction. Okay, let's suppose, let's do some another question. So here I'm going to write 2 times 3 into 1 by 4. This is 2 times 3 into 1 by 4 times 2 by 5. So look here, 1 is the whole number, 1 is the proper fraction, and 1 is the mixed. Okay, three different things now here. Let's solve it. First of all, 2 as it is times as it is, solve this one, 3 into 1 by 4. So when you are going to solve 3 into 1 by 4, what's the answer? Everyone tell me in the chat. Hurry up. Hurry up, everyone. Tell me in the chat what is the answer of 3 into 1 by 4. Do it. 3 into 1 by 4. What's the answer? 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 1 is 13 over 4 times 2 by 5. Multiply the top numbers with each other. 2 times 13 times 2. Okay. So 2 times 2 is 4. Or if you can say that 13 times 2 is 26 and 26 times 2 is 52. And then here it's again 1. So 1 times 4 times 5. So 4 times 5 is 20. Okay. So this is the answer that we get it. If you want to more solve, like you are just going to divide it, 52 divided by 20. Okay, 20 times 2 is 40. So here what's the answer? You get it, 12 into 2 by 20. That is your answer. 12 into 2 into 12 by 20. Sorry, 2 into 12 over 20. 20 is the same thing, and this 2, that is the on the side, and this 12 that will put on the top. Okay, then multiply and simplify your answer and write it as a proper fraction or as a whole number. So look at here, it's 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 times 3. So how can we solve it? 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 times 3. And here you are putting 1, multiplying the top numbers with each other and multiply the bottom numbers with each other. So 1 times 1 is 1, 3 times 1 is 3, and then here 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 1 is 4. That's it. Okay, here are the two, basically the proper fraction, and one is whole number. This is the way that we get it in all these questions. Let's do one test questions for that, one or two test questions. Okay, 3 into 1 by 3. Let's put it here. 3 into 1 by 3 times 3 into 1 by 3 times 1 by 4 times 1 by 4 times 3. So solve it. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10 over 3 times 1 over 4 times 3. Multiply the top numbers with each other. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 3 is 30. So 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, 30 over 12 is your answer. Let's check. So it's not putting, again dividing. You are going to divide 30 over the 12. 12 times 2 is 24. How much left? 6. So the answer is 2 into 6 by 12. 2 into 6 by 12. So again, this thing is divided. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 2 into 1 by 2 is your answer. Okay. This is the way that you get it. If you are not getting your answer, the same thing, look at here. First of all, you are going to solve, then the division process, and then after the division, when you write your answer, like 2 into 6 by 12, and if the still not is the answer, you're again dividing these both numbers. Okay, and in this way, 2 into 6 times 1 is 6, and 6 times 2 is 12. 2 into 1 by 2. Here are the 4 steps that we get it. First, solve the question, then write your answer again as a mixed number, and then the mixed number is again divided. Okay, this is the way that we solve this one. So hope you guys understand this lesson. Solve the rest of the test questions by yourself. Now let's get started next lesson. So we have done multiply two mixed numbers. We already done multiply three or more mixed numbers, fractions, and the whole numbers. Now let's move to the multiplication with mixed number word problems. Okay. A factory makes sheets of metal that are 1 into 2 by 3 inches thick. If a worker at the factory makes a stack of 2 of the sheets, how many inches thick will the stack be? So simplify your answer as a proper fraction or as a mixed number. Anything that you easy with. 1 into 2 by 3 and then it's 2. We know that 2 times 1 into 2 by 3. So here is 2 times 1 into 2 by 3. Okay, there is only two numbers. 1 into 2 by 3 times 2. Let's check. 1 into 2 by 3 and times 2. 2 as it is times as it is. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5 by 3. Okay, so here is 1. So it means that multiplying the top numbers, 2 times 5 is 10 and 3 is as it is. This is basically the improper fraction. So let's move to the improper to mixed. Just putting 10 inside of it, 3 is outside. 3 times which number is closer to 10? 3 times 3 is 9. So here we are going to 1 left. So the answer is 3 into 1 by 3. This is your answer from this to this. Putting this 3 on the top, like on the side, this 1 is on the top and this 3 is same. This number is same here, just putting. Okay. Alright, let's do the next. Last week, Dakota ran 1 into 2 by 3 miles. This week, she plans to run 3 into 1 by 2 times as fast as last week. So the one is 1 into 2 by 3, the next is 3 into 1 by 2. How many miles does the Dakota plan to run this week? So let's get start 1 into 2 by 3 and 3 into 1 by 2. 1 into 2 by 3 and 3 into 1 by 2. It's 3 into 1 by 2 the next. Yeah. Okay, now you guys tell me what is the answer of 1 into 2 by 3. Everyone tell me in the chat. Yes, everyone tell me in the chat what is the answer of 1 into 2 by 3. And then we solve it. I already told you like how to solve this one. So just simply multiplying these two numbers add up with their top. So 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5 by 3 times multiply 2 with the 3 and then add up with this. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7 over 2. Now what is the next step? What is the answer of this one? Tell me the answer. Multiplying the top numbers with each other and bottom numbers with each other. So multiplying 5 with the 7, that is 35, and 3 with the 2, that is 6. This is the improper fraction. If you want to solve and converting it into the mixed numbers, so how can you convert putting 35 inside and 6 is outside? 6 times which number is closer to 35? 6 times 5 is 30. 5 is left. So 5 into 5 by 6. Look, from this to this, we get it. Okay, 5 into 5 by 6, and that is your answer. Okay, so look at here the question. So the question is, Kelly rode her bike for 2 into 3 by 4 miles on Wednesday. On Thursday, she biked 1 into 1 by 2 times as far as on Wednesday. So how many miles did the Kelly bike on Thursday? So the Wednesday is given, and they are saying that on Thursday it's like on times as far on the Wednesday. It means that you're going to multiply these two numbers and then just check it out like the next number. What's the answer for that? Let's do it. So it's 2 into 3 by 4. Let's check the answer. 2 into 3 by 4. Okay. 2 into 3 by 4 times 1 into 1 by 2. So here is 2 into 3 by 4. What's the answer? 2 into 3 by 4. Multiply these two, add up with this. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11 by 4 times multiply these two and add up with this. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 2. Okay. Now multiplying the top numbers with each other and bottom numbers with each other. So 11 times 3 is 33. 11 times 3 is 33 and 4 times 2 is 8. So 33 over 8. This is the improper fraction, and if you want to solve it more from this to again division, 33 inside of it, 8 is outside. So 8 times 4 is 32, and then 1 is left. So 1 into 4 by 4 into, I just put it the wrong way, 4 into 1 by 8. Okay, look at here. So this is the way that we get it, and in this way we are going to convert our answer 4 into 1 by 8. Okay, hope you guys understand this lesson as well. Let's do one test questions for that. Last week, a chocolate shop sold 2 ounces of white chocolate. It sold 4 into 1 by 3 times as much chocolate as white chocolate. So, how many ounces of milk chocolate did the shop sell? So, simply multiplying 2 with 4 into 1 by 3. Let's do it. 4 into 1 by 3. So, here 4 into 1 by 3 times 2. So, how can we solve? Multiplying 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13 over 3 times 2. So this is 1 here. So 13 times 2 is 26 over 3. Now if you want to divide it, 26 and 3. 3 times 8 is 24 and 2 is left. So the answer is 8 into 2 by 3. Okay, 8 into 2 by 3. And here we get the answer, and that is right option. Hope you guys understand this lesson as well. This is the same thing that you are doing in the previous two lessons, just a simply whole numbers. Sorry, it's a mixed fractions that you are going to convert it firstly. Okay, convert it into the basically proper or improper fraction, then just going to multiplying, and after multiplying you are going to basically again convert into the mixed. Okay, so here we have done the first three, these three lessons, first, second and third. Now sorry, now we are on the fourth one, that is the last one. Let's do it. Mixed multiply fraction and mixed number in recipes. This is the same thing just like the previous, but it's only involve the recipes now. Okay, what quantity of sugar would you need to make a double recipe? What quantity of sugar? Look at here, where is the sugar? Cup sugar is given, that is basically 2 by 3 spoons. Okay, 2 by 3 cups. So here it's 2 by 3, and a double recipe. A recipe calls for 2 by 3 of a cup of sugar. To double the recipe, multiply the amount by 2. Okay, because look at here, they are saying that to make a double recipe of which one? Cups of sugar. So cups of sugar is 2 by 3. How many cups of sugars are given? 2 by 3, and double that recipe with 2. So if you're gonna double the recipe, it means that multiply with the 2. So multiplying the top numbers, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 by 3. This is basically double that recipe. Okay, and if you want to more convert into the mixed, putting 4 inside, 3 is outside, 3 times 1 is 3, and it's 1 is left. So the answer is 1 into 1 by 3. Okay, so look at here, what quantity of dill would you need to make a double recipe? Check it out, where is basically the teaspoon dill is given, that is 1 by 2, and double that recipe, 1 by 2 times 2. Okay, let's see. So it's 1 by 2 times 2, so it means that under of this one is 1. Multiplying 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 2 times 1 is 2. This should be cancel out, and here it's only 1. Okay, now just check this. What quantity of black pepper would you need to make a double recipe? What quantity of black pepper would you need to make a double recipe? Black pepper. Where is the black pepper here? It's a black pepper. Look, teaspoon black pepper. 5 by 8 teaspoon black pepper. So here's 5 by 8. So 5 by 8. And they are saying that double that recipe, which is 2. Over here it's 1. Here it's nothing. It's all up to you, like which number you're going to put it. So multiplying the top numbers with each other and bottom numbers with each other. So 5 times 2 is 10. 8 times 1 is 8. Now you guys divide it and then tell me the answer. 10 is putting inside, 8 is outside. What is the answer of this one? Everyone tell me in the chat. Solve it and then tell me in the chat. When you're going to divide 10 over the 8, what's the answer? You get it. Divide 8 over the 10. So 10 is divided over the which table? 8 times 1 is 8 because it's not a bigger number. So we're going to divide 8 over the 1. So 8 times 1 is 8. How much is left? 2. So 1 into 2 by 8. And that is your answer from this point to this. Okay, let's do a test questions for that. What quantity of sugar would you need to make double a recipe? Look at here. Where is the sugar? That is 7 by 8 cups sugar. 7 by 8. And then you just gonna double that recipe. Okay. So it's 7 by 8. And they are saying that double that recipe. So it means that times 2. 7 times 2 is 14. So here it means 1. 8 times 1 is 8. Then we are going to divide 14 over the 8. So 8 times 1 is 8. After subtraction, 14 minus 8 is 6. So what's the answer? 1 into 6 over 8. Let's check, is there any option for 1 into 6 over 8? Look, if the answer is not given this one, you are going to more divide it. 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8. So 1 into 3 by 4. And then let's check. Is there any answer? 1 into 3 by 4. I already explained. If the answer is not given, so there are a few more steps. First of all, you're going to multiply, then divide, then putting this one is a mixed fraction. Then if the still answer is answer, you are going to divide these two numbers over there. And then in this way, you get the next answer. Okay. So look at here. What quantity of apricot jam would you need to make a triple recipe? So where is the apricot jam? There is first one, 2 by 3. Triple that recipe now. It's that is 2 by 3. Triple the recipe, it means that times with the 3. Okay. Here it's 1. If you gonna check, this 3 and 3 is opposite, so you are going to cancel. Here it's 1, here it's 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. So answer is only 2. That is a whole number, which is 2. That is here. You're going to put it. Okay. Hope you guys understand this lesson as well. So today we discussed the 4 lesson. The chapter today we discussed, that is multiply the fraction, and these are the 4 lessons. Multiply 2 mixed numbers, multiply 3 or more mixed numbers, fraction, add or whole numbers, multiply with mixed numbers word problem, multiply fraction and mixed number in recipes. So you guys, before starting the next session, you guys practice all these lessons. And if you still need any help, you can contact our tutors. This is the chat button, live chat button. Click over there, and then in this way, it's a page open. Then you select your department, like in which thing you need help within the language help or maths help. Then putting your name and then just send it out. So for now, have a great day, you all. Bye.